Good day finalists. We are students from 22BSIS 1P and we are here to present to your own research topic entitled Point of Sale from Holiday Coffee and Souvenir Shop. Medium-sized company in the Philippines. The Holiday Coffee and Souvenir Shop is located in the Philippines. Company operation. The Holiday Coffee operation manual by token orders and writing them on paper. The operating time is 6 a.m. to 12 midnight from Monday to Sunday. Company serves drink and food souvenir. The Holiday Coffee offer the best food, drink, and souvenir town. Companies offer dine-in and take-out. The Holiday Coffee can offer dine-in and take-out. Company employee in 25 branches are 1,450. The Holiday Coffee has 1,450 employees all over the branches, such as management, cashier, barista, chef, cook, and IT and other crew. Company branches are size. The Holiday Coffee has smaller to larger branches in the Philippines, and the smaller branches can accommodate 150 customers and the largest can accommodate 335 customers in a day. Company mission. The company mission to prove immeasurable cost effect and festival experience among consumers and their loved ones on every visit in the company. Mission is to be world-class to go coffee and shop among families and friends every feeling like a holiday. So that is statement of the problem. In the objective in general problem, we need to answer the question of how to develop and implement a final sale system from the Holiday Coffee and Souvenir Shop that is posed by sustainability, reliability, performance, efficiency, security, and maintainability, and management different order transaction. To assess this general problem, we have a general objective to develop and implement a final sale system from the Holiday Coffee and Souvenir Shop. This is functionality, sustainability, reliability, performance, and maintainability, and security, and also maintainability, management different order transaction. So in a specific problem, that phase of the Holiday Coffee is how will the system patents be processing the transaction from every order of customer to above slow processing of order and the long lines. To answer the specific problem, we need to develop an ordering module that will be efficiently processing the transaction from every order of customer to above slow processing of order and long lines. So the second problem is how will the system prove accurate computation of order from every transaction to prevent escalation of total payment. So to answer this specific problem or the problem, we have an objective to develop or to build to self-referent to module that proven accurate computation and record about the daily, weekly, and monthly and annual sale. So the third problem is how will the system secure the data, preventing information temperate and damage paper-based in document. To answer this problem, we need to create a database that secure the information of transaction to avoid loss of the data temperate in damaging the physical papers. So that prompt is what is the assessment of respondent on the processed part of the sales system in the term of functional, stability, reliability, performance, efficiency, security, maintainability. So to answer this problem, we need to implement the assessment of respondent on the system from the handy component in term of functional, stability, reliability, performance, activity, efficiency, security, and maintainability. So the last is how will the respondent implement the proper point of sale system in the term of functional, stability, reliability, performative, efficiency, security, and maintainability. So So to determine in the significance of the significant difference, we need to assess between the two sets of respondents such as IT expert and target user, highly capital and such medical in terms of functional, sustainability, reliability, performative efficiency, security, and maintainability. The next scope and limited we just talking about employment a point of sale system by using Severant and new population. This included multilingual support, user friendly and database integration, and the next is scope and limitation. The first is login module. The login module says the system requests the user to enter the user password into the online order. The system is request to register the provided information including their name, email, and password to a box and to login module. And from admin can manage the create cashier account it out page to page start up how cashier request to log in the system builder and cashier name, password, and ID to a box. And the second is from the full system allow the online customer to view select product per menu and the website. Then will the cashier is the one of the select product in the store and the admin and extension but online in the store can add and legit and delete product. And third is the process module. The system allow customers in ground the website. And the part is payment module. Payment is the customer all total amount portion, and the plate is the order display module. Order display module study details and are displayed on the screen, including the product name and quality. And the sixth is the refined module. Refined module are responsibility for margin record and cost the most payment of action. And the last is the sale report module. Sale report to track all record of attending customer. And the next limitation. The limitation including the credit card payment, inventory management, and the module application. And the reason is so time costing and functional on the found of sale system. The system develops life cycle resources use the model waterfall to make it clear how to organize and manage the developer process, which will definitely help all the actionability and objective of this study to be complete in the proper and clear managed. So we have midline waterfall model, which has data gathering and analyze process, design phase, coding phase, testing phase, evaluation, produce, and implement plan, breakdown of method of from every SDLC phase. Phase 1, data gathering and analyze. Producing in the intel phase, the researcher focus on collecting data to document the progress of the study. The researchers is used interview, and then the interview use a semi-instruction to prepare a set of equation while reminding often the additional question during the interview session. Interview used a fire remind instruction to present to specific details and general details of the interview process. Non-participant observation. The researcher used none to participatory observation to show that it's not necessary to be an employment to get information related to the study. They also use field note to where down the information group discuss. The researchers conduct a group discuss interview. Each group does gathering additional information on this project proposal and context analysis. So research conduct effective in the store to understand all the process that happening in the store. Plus two system designs. So for the next bucket, we have DVD level 0. So as statement in the screen three people who can assist the system. First is a customer. Customer can place order and do payment. Next is admin, and admin can view and edit to menu and also view the sale and report. Lately, cashier will be also to confirm payments, so they can also view the customer order and process the payment. So for the front end, 3R CSS and Adobe CSS was used to design the web page. This included the button, color, and font of the order. Adobe was used to create the logo and order image. And the third place, the researchers will use the program language in the database to develop the system. First, the PHP program language. PHP was closing for its adaptability, reflex, and weather-fried used in online development from the processing system at the holiday copy and souvenir shop. And second is JavaScript. The versatility of JavaScript enable the researchers to adapt the system to the unique requirement and upgrade a simplest and effective process. Lately is MySQL database. MySQL servers are the system backbone and its specific organization and crucial data from smooth day-to-day operation testing phase. In the prod phase, the researcher will be the first to test each part of the system by unit module integration and all system before the researcher processes to the company unit testing. In the test of the smaller non-module testing, the last test module code integration testing, the test of the multiple code, and the system testing in the test of the whole system in the code doing have any multifunction. Evaluation phase. In the feedback phase, the researcher will be evaluating the respondent using survey equation that employee for a 5-point like scalability. The equation will be based on iOS 2010. Standard statistic item will be implemented from evaluation of survey data. The respondent of the study components two different groups, the target group and user IT expert. The target user must be 15 individual people including employee, customer, and store management. The IT expert considered of the 15 professional will a minimum of 3 years of experience and IT in during 3 they will be employment the system to see it mean the user expectational and need it will also keep the developer in third assessment of the system benefits. The researchers will be make up 15 questionnaire using the iOS 2010 software criteria. The including functional, stability, reliability, performance, specificity, and security and mutability state in the statement of problem number 5. Phase 5. Evaluation phase. Like a scale range show in the survey was read on scale of 5 points, range from the stronger algorithm to a greater degree. In this case, help the researcher's evaluation by or start giving a light and doing this point of expert the level of agreement or disagreement. Phase 5. Evaluation phase. The next sample or variable exam on n value and number of value in the sample operate all of the number in the response to the result determine the average value of this evaluation in the system in the survivor equation. Next is standard deviation. For standard deviation, the iterator given the data x mean and total number of terms, the researchers compare the standard deviation SD to broaden the value inside the measure how much the process responsible declining on the main average. Phase 5. The evaluation phase. T-test x1 and x1 equal means of two sample S1 and S2 equal standard deviation of two groups. N1 and N2 equal sample size of two groups. The formula E-test used to combine the means of two groups and determine they are significantly from each order. It can calculate statistics less than critical value and suggests that 3 is no significant difference between the mean of two groups. Basics. Explanation phase. The researcher used the phase plan to implement the system project from the company. This passage describes how Saint implement plan introduce a new system into day-to-day company. It is sure its smooth operation and their territory income employee retention by gradually introducing the system including training to families and components employee, which is a new process. The result can be found in the data gathering. The researcher obtained all the information down interview and observation in the one set interview. The interview provided information on why the manual system was ineffective due to the reason from talking and leaving order, maximal order, and payment process, and the evaluation and participatory observation. The researchers into how they handle the researchers to observe how they handle all the customer waiting in the long lines as objective resources, focusing on the payment process and the manual operating that did from the long line in the non-participatory observation. The researchers focusing on the behavior of the customer and also the staff, and the last is a one set interview. Like what I said, the interview is providing information why the manual, the system was ineffective due to the researcher for talking and waiting order, maximal order, and payment process. Table 1 functional suitability. The statement number 2 goes a strong and verbal interpretation from what target user and IT expert. The target user has a same mean of 4.17 will the IT expert have a mean of 4.80. So in table 2, reliability, as we can see in the statement number 2, it gives strongly agree interpretation from target user and IT expert. Target user get a mean of 4.67, while the IT expert has a mean of 4.73. So here is table 3, performance specificity. The statement number 1 show the target user got a verbal interpretation of an agreement with the mean of 4.07, while the IT expert has a verbal interpretation of strongly agree with a mean of 4.25. So table 4, specificity statement of the number 3, statement that both of each group's verbal interpretation is strongly agree. The target user have a mean of 4.257, while the IT expert has a mean of 3.33. Table 5, mentability. And show that statement of number 2 got a high interpret of strongly agree from both target user and the IT expert. The target user management to get a mean of 4.40, while the IT expert management to get a mean of 4.73. This overall mean is a standard deviation. As you can see, all create good strong. The next is feedback period in ROI. The feedback period, based on the feedback period, it will take a 1-year recovery the cost investment amount to 500 million and return on this investment as you show in the computing in the return of investment in place. The system will have the efficiency and effectiveness of 28%, meaning this show the further that the study is visible. General conclusion: to answer the general problem on how to develop and implement a point of sale from holiday copy and souvenir shop that is functional, stability, reliability, performance, sustainability, security, and mutability in management different orders and transactions. The researchers successfully developed and implement a POS system that is functional, stability, reliability, performance, efficiency, security, and mutability from management various order transaction. Efficient transaction processing in the POS system. Streamline transaction processing, reducing wait time, and improve customer satisfaction. By using the POS system, the cashier can early take the order of customer by clicking the button on the system. It will take less hassle and take less time from both the cashier and the customer. The strengthening, collecting, and change the specificity of the ordering processing for the faster and moving significant transaction from each customer. Accurate quotation with winning order item, the POS system, including interest, processing, calculation of order, minimizing error in total payment. The researchers were able to create a payment module and report module that report the customer total bill and save report pesos 120. Data security. By digital transaction, the POS system enhances data security, covering and damage to paper based on document. The researchers were able to create a login module that will secure a user data. This customer transaction can save report to prevent data branch and data loss. Based on the reports of both IT expert and target user, the technology agree on all aspects of system in item function, stability, reliability, performance, efficiency, security, and mutability. The researchers, including the three, is no significant difference between the target user and IT professional of the POS system. In terms of functional, stability, reliability, performance, efficiency, security, and mutability. The researchers are recommend this processing system to be used by the holiday copy souvenir shop based on the finding of the study. The following recommendations are made from the system future development. Developing a vision means your website display different website, depending on what device visitors are using. Online booking buyer will use this type of payment when they purchasing goods online or offline. They can use different type of online method, including debit, credit card, word, the process by which you track your good. Thrown out your try supply chain from processing to production to end of sale. Training workplace. Training is learning the employee participant into improve performance. If reference to wide verify of activities from particular or job interaction to online or classroom based on training success. Expectation of the IT department during the expectation period, schooling IT which are sustainable and performance taking methodology can evaluation and strength in order branches. Cybersecurity means mature strengthening cybersecurity protocol is an imperative to safeguard sensitivity the data, protect against protection threat.
This is the system demo or holiday copy and souvenir shop. In our landing page, you can see a short introduction about what holiday copy and souvenir shop is. You can also see the service, about us, mission and vision, and also the footer that contains the information about the company. In the landing page, customers will be able to see the offerings of the holiday copy and souvenir shop. Customers will be able to rate an account, and once the customers are successfully registered, they will be able to log in. So and the customers will redirect in the menu, and in this module, they will be able to place an order. Let's add an or an item. Customers will be able to delete their and the customers will redirect in the ordering module. So the customers will be able to add some items to their cart and also delete it. So, customers can choose either pick up or delivery. So they choose delivery. When the customer choose delivery, they will need to fill up a shipping form. Customers can choose either cash on delivery or credit card payment. But as for now, the COD is the only available for payment method. So let's add a note and submit. So there will be a message that will notify the customers. Your items will arrive in 30 minutes. So what will happen when the customer chooses pick up? When the customer chooses pick up, there will be a notification that will say your order will be ready for pick up in 30 minutes. First, slide it as a cashier. Plus, and as you can see, it's the hermit or the shear, identically the same for ordering. Then, the cashier asks the customer on some toppings. The toppings for add some product. Tommy Flash. Pick up with town for beat that one of the vineyard. So, customer done check her balance, correct? It's and pay. This is ours. Or after purchasing product, they can stick it out our company name, contact, and order number. The date, item 40. The product. And this is stone. We have a pipe that this stone for VWP in singles. The lobby for and that's lobby. I per us with. The tower admit dashboard top some on a lead on its pane orders update product. And this stream is not available in town, and it will be available in future development. Only we have the bodies update product. And top the products behind category, name, price, and the image. Then, and some product. Category, and the thing product and the price also. And you want to see updated and being on. If you want to change the price of the products, click on edit, change price. As you want to see the product of the price being updated, and now, this is the end of our time demo for how to pay souvenir.